Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make these tasty and easy beef kebabs. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need half a kg of beef mincemeat or any other meat that you like, 1 slice of onion, a handful of coriander leaves, 2 to 3 slices of breads, 1 teaspoon of kebab powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 lime juice or lemon, and lastly 1 egg. In a bowl which has the mincemeat, start by adding 1 teaspoon of kebab powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, sliced onions and a handful of coriander leaves, and squeeze 1 lime or lemon and mix everything well. Afterwards, add 1 egg and 2 to 3 slices of breads. Make sure you add a bit of water in the breads so that they can become moist, and continue mixing everything well and nice. Once everything is well combined, you're going to shape your kebabs as you can see in the video, or you can shape them anyhow you like. I'm done shaping my kebabs as you can see in the video. I'm going to cover them and place them in the fridge for at least 1 hour so that they can stick very well before deep frying them. After 1 hour, remove the kebabs and deep fry them. Make sure the oil is so hot to avoid the kebabs from mashing out. At the beginning, deep fry them on a high heat for 1 minute. Then afterwards, reduce the heat and deep fry them on a low-medium heat so that the kebabs can cook inside. Once your kebabs are well cooked and have this amazing color, then your beef kebabs are ready, and remove them from the oil and place them on a plate. Our tasty beef kebabs are ready as you can see in the video. Serve along with some salad and some lime juice or tamarind sauce and enjoy your beef kebabs. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.